Okay, power's out in where I live here, but I'll try and get through the setup. The lighting isn't the best, but it's not too bad. So first of all, you got to go and find the app, the Ameta drone. Just go to wherever you get your apps. For me, it's Google Play. Download it, open it, and it asks permission for your location. I let you just go while using app. And you got to make sure it's hooked up on the Wi-Fi. Go to your Wi-Fi. And we'll turn on the controller. See, flashing blue. Should be solid once they're connected. Turn on the drone. Hold it for 3 seconds. Lights up. And lights are solid. And Wi-Fi. And you can see, hopefully you can see it on the, oh yeah, you can see it there. You got to select it, right? Available networks. Connecting. And then you can go back to the app. Then you open up the app. And voila. We're set up. Very easy, very straightforward. Don't want to fly it inside, of course. But let's try start. Goes through all your different controls. We'll insert the TIFF card, micro SD. That simply goes on the side here. Only goes in one way. You can see there's a little picture here. Kind of shows you. You'll want the connection, the chrome part, I mean the copper part up. So once you have it lined up, push it in until it clicks. And it's in place. Push it again to take it out. Okay, back to the app. Now you can actually see what the camera sees. Moving it around the room. So you know we're connected. Now that we're connected, lights are all blue. We'll head outside. Okay, I gotta clean off a landing spot. All this fresh snow from last night. That should do it. Yeah, I do have the other video where I set it up, the first video. I'll just run over a quick some of the features before we get going. Some of the buttons. You got 1, 2 here for the speed, how quick you want it flying, response. Your up, down, stop, power button, flip. You do some flips with it, and circle the area. On the front you got your camera, video. It's the holder for your phone, for your smartphone, and your controls, joysticks, and the handles, of course. The drone itself, 4K camera, sensor, the insert for the SD card, power button. So let's see if it'll go. You could apparently you can fly it without the smartphone, because you just keep it in line of sight. We'll try that first. Very quiet. Okay, let's take it for a little flight. It does tend to drift a little bit, like when you control and go. When you let stop your control, it still drifts a bit, so you got to be aware of that. Okay, let's try her in the front yard. Don't mind the noise, people are snow blowing. And we'll go with the app on the phone. See if I can do it one-handed. Got to select your drone. And go connect. Connect, now up. She starts up and raises about 3 feet off the ground. Hovers nice, pretty stable. I'll have to set this GoPro where get a good angle and fly it around a little bit. Tends to drift a bit, so you just got to be aware of that. Take it up in the sky here. Up higher. Let's go a little higher above the trees. Take a little video. Take a picture. Little video. Okay, let's see if we can land it. Just bring her down. Should have more space, I guess, for the first flight. Bring it forward and down. And hit the land button. And she lands and shuts off. Perfect. It is a beginner drone, but it's flies nice, fairly stable. It tends to drift a bit, but you just got to be aware of that, get used to it. Okay, I came down to the park, the local park. More room, so we can do the flip feature better. Let's see, so let's take off. So you press the flip button, toggle to the right, press it, toggle to the left. Let's try, press the flip button, forward flip, cool. Backward flip. Oh, you gotta press that flip button, backward, backward on the right. So use your right toggle, and you want to flip to the right, press the flip, right toggle. Cool. And we'll try the yeah, it just goes and rotates in the area. Kind of a funky move. Cool. Press it again, it stops. Let's take a little video. No, I gotta have the you gotta have the phone in to take video. I'll throw the phone in quick. You got the phone connected. Take the drone up. Take a little video. You can see the red there. Hopefully you can see it. It's indicating recording. Hit it again. Stops recording. Take a picture. Takes a picture. Take another one. Very good. See how high she can go. It's supposed to go, yeah, it's got limited height, about 200 feet or so. But we got it going well. Very fun. A lot of enjoyment. Really hauls butt. Okay, let's bring her back. I think we got enough footage. You can see how well it works. Quiet too, eh? Quiet. Till it gets right over you. I just don't have a very big landing spot here, so gotta make sure I'm pretty much centered. There we go. Ta-da! Well, hope you enjoyed the video. And like I say, got any comments, please comment. There'll be links if you want to get one. Links in the description. And we'll catch you on the next video.